The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Boyd County in Kentucky, Cabell, Lincoln, Mason, Putnam, and Wayne counties in Virginia, Gallia, Jackson, and Lawrence counties in Ohio until 6 o'clock p.m. At 4:54 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing dangerous cloud-to-ground lightning, penny-sized hail, and damaging winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Wheelersburg to Sandy Hook and 7 miles west of Prestonsburg, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this storm include Ashland, Huntington, Hamlin, Point Pleasant, Winfield, Wayne, Beach Fork State Park, Rio Grande, Gallipolis, Oak Hill, Proctorville, Lake Vesuvius, Ironton, Coal Grove, and Chesapeake. The storm will be near Oak Hill, Lake Vesuvius, and Ironton by 5:10, Ashland, Coal Grove, and Fort Gay by 5:15, and Dunlow, Centerville, Durbin and Burnaugh by 5:20. If you are in the path of this storm, seek shelter now. Avoid windows. If you wait until you see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. Please report tornadoes, funnel clouds, strong winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area until 10 o'clock p.m. for eastern Kentucky, southern Ohio, western Virginia, and western West Virginia.